Hey guys, welcome to another Fortnite drawing in my channel, which is TamashaBera. That is basically the name of my channel, where we are going to draw every single day. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click on the notification bell when you guys are subscribing. Okay, so that you get all the notifications when we upload our videos every day. And also, last but not least, drop a like. Make sure you guys do that. It will just take half a second. Because if you drop a like, I can assure you, your drawings are going to get better every single day. To start out with, let me just show you guys a very speed drawing of my sketch, which I do it in pencil first. And then I'm going to go ahead and erase this, and I'm going to make it with a marker. Alright, so let's go ahead. The reason I told you guys why I just completely erased this whole thing out so that I can color it well, and I can show you guys the illustration properly. So let's begin with the marker illustration. I hope you guys have a piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser. First, we start out with like 2 curves to make one of his ears. I hope you guys have started this out on the first side of the paper. Make like 2 curved lines to make a leaf. Like the basics of making a leaf is just curved lines, a big S and a big curve to end it out. The same thing, we're gonna go ahead and draw like some half leaves. As you guys can see, a big curved line and then an S at the end. We will be drawing at least a lot of leaves for this project, for this Bushranger. This is one of the skins which just dropped in the item shop recently. And if you guys are, depending on like what time you guys have watched it, you guys have already have the skin, or maybe you don't. But then this is one of the interesting skins that has been released in Fortnite. The name of the skin is called as the Bushranger skin. If you guys want to draw this as a project, feel free to do so. Want to do this in your holidays, feel free to do so. If you guys got your friend's birthday coming up, you want to give him a present as a form of a birthday card with some presents, and you know that your friend is into Fortnite, you can draw this as a project and give it to your friend. Maybe like something for art for your school, if you guys want it, you guys can draw it. And plus, there is a movement going on YouTube where people are planting trees. So what better way would it be on our channel to celebrate the event by making the Bushranger, to spread positivity and the sense and the idea of a green environment. So we're gonna go ahead and make some more leaves. It's just curved lines, one next to the other. As you guys can see, I'm just making leaves. Now let's look at the way I'm making the leaves. You need to have a specific amount of space in the middle. If you leave the space in the middle, that's where his face, eyes, nose, and his face is gonna go, eyes and all that stuff. So these are the leaves. Now these leaves are always not in the same structure, so make like 2 circles at the center to make his eyes, a small nose right over here. If you guys have your colors, you guys can even put like more detail. Let's make his mouth, a big smiley face. There you have it. Let's make his teeth. Alright, there you have it. That's the basic of the face. Now I know it is going to be really tough for you guys to make the whole body, so make sure you guys concentrate well. Make one leaf at a time while watching the video. If you want, you guys can slow down the video in the YouTube settings and watch this video slowly. You guys can go ahead and again rewind the video if you guys are missing out on any part. If you think the video is too fast, well, you guys can always rewind. Then over here, you make more leaves like this, like not full leaves, so that you guys can make like more leaves. So the thing about making leaves is that once you make a full leaf, if you make a half leaf, then you can make another leaf next to it if it's at the very adjacent. So I'm gonna make some lines right over here to give it a 3D feeling to all the leaves. We're gonna go ahead and make some more leaves right over here. As you guys can see, like this is already looking pretty fantastic, and the shape of his face has started popping up once we make all the leaves. We're gonna make some more leaves on his face. As you guys can see, more leaves right over here next to his face, more leaves as an extension. And right now there will be like different parts. We are going to be making his hands, his body, and as well as the legs. So make like a big leaf right over here, another leaf right over here, and there you have it, an extension of his hair. So my man, the bushranger, has his whole face covered with leaves, and also his hair is leaves again. So leaves over here, leaves over there. The more leaves that you guys can make, the more detailed, the better the skin is going to look. And again, once you guys are done with this, you guys can go ahead and choose any type of color that you guys want to color Mr. Bushranger over here from Fortnite. If you guys want, you guys can use the green color, olive green, dark green, any type of greens that you guys want. Even if you guys want, you guys can use orange as a form of a maple tree. If you guys want to change the leaves, you guys can make it into the form of a maple leaf. So it is up to you guys what kind of leaf that you want him to be covered in. The idea is yours. All you have to do is just replace the leaves that I have drawn over here with the leaves that you want. So we're gonna go ahead and make his belt right over here, which is over his torso. More leaves right over here, one next to each other to cover his body. Now we're gonna make some more leaves. There you have it. And after this, we are gonna be going ahead and making some equipments for him. So let's make his belt. Okay, so we're gonna put all the equipment that he carries with him in this drawing, which is attached to his belt that he's wearing. There you have it. Those are the equipments. Looks pretty fantastic. Circles. So this is the belt, and let's make some designs, some curly things in the middle, which would look like an apricot. So we are gonna make some nuts right over here. There you have it. There is his belt. We're gonna make some more leaves to cover his belt up to give it some more natural feeling to it. There you have it. The belt is already looking pretty awesome. So we're gonna make some leaves over here. Join these two things. There was some gap in the middle. We're gonna go ahead and make some more leaves on the outer edge. The leaves on the outer edge, you don't have to give it a lot of detail. All you have to do is just have the outline. And that is about it. More leaves like this right over here. Leaves right over there. As you guys can see, this is very simple. Our leaf, make like two curves, one big line right in the middle, and there you have it. The leaves right over here. Some jagged lines. As you guys can see, this picture is just made out of curves. One curve next to the other one, and straight lines. All you need to do is just follow this drawing step by step. More leaves right over here. You don't have to go ahead and put a lot of detail into these leaves because we are making his pants right now, which is also made by leaves. Make sure you guys do drop your comments in the comment section down below, and do let us know if you guys have any suggestions or recommendations for our next drawing that you guys want us to do. Any character that you love apart from Fortnite characters, do let us know. Any skins that you guys would want me to draw next, any favorite skins that you guys would like to draw as your project, let me know. And if you guys are facing difficulties, again, use any of my social media to reach out to me. And also, if you guys are doing the drawings, take a picture on your phone and send it to me, because I do like shout outs for all the people who would do the drawings, and I post it on my story. Alright, so don't feel shy to reach out to me on my social media, and yeah, just go ahead and do these drawings. These are like super important tutorials going in depth, helping you guys out in making these drawings, making you better in drawing with a proper step-by-step tutorial over here in our videos and in our channel every single day. There we go ahead. We're gonna make some more leaves to fill the middle space. The more leaves that you have, the more detailed the picture, the skin is going to look. I'm pretty sure you guys can agree that this skin is already looking better than the Bushranger skin that we will be getting in the game. Very easy and simple. Let's make the legs. Make jagged lines. Doesn't have to be straight. Put lines like these over here to make it look like wood. For the other leg, just make it like a curvy. Like, do you guys see that? Like, just make it into like jagged lines. He already looks fantastic, and it looks running already. We're gonna go ahead and make his arm, so make like straight lines. As you guys can see, easy straight lines. You don't have to bother about making it straight. Just go freestyle, guys, for this one. All right, make these lines right over here. Now for the hands, like, all you do is just follow me, okay? Just straight lines. Straight lines. I'm using a marker. It should be difficult, but then if you guys are using a pencil, it should be easy for you guys. Do the same thing for this hand as well. Give it the texture of a wood so that it looks like the wood. There you have it. Let's make his fingers. Curved lines next to each other. Straight lines. Straight lines. I'm using a bold marker, guys. There you have it. That's his hand. Let me just give it the effect that it is turned to a side. There you have it. We have the Bushranger. Let me just give it some more detailed. There you have it. Those are his knuckles. If you guys want, you guys can go ahead and start coloring this up with your favorite colors of trees or plants or leaves, whatever you guys have in your mind. You guys can do all of that, and it is up to your imagination. Do let us know what you guys think about our drawings. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more of these videos in the future. And at the end over here, we are going to show you guys how it is going to look like once you guys have colored this up fully. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and make sure to share this video with all your friends so that you can tell them to draw the same thing and to see who draws better. With that being said, you guys take care and goodbye.